Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Is the audio video clear? Let me know. Time right now is 7 o'clock. Market is right now is an important range. Okay, this is an important range. If it sustains above this, then it has potential to move towards the upside. But somewhat I'm not having confidence to enter here. So I'm just thinking, okay, let the market break. Let's say it goes below this zone or below this zone, then maybe I will consider to take a bullish trade is what I'm thinking. But meanwhile, we'll go and check all the other data as well. Dow Jones as of now, it's kind of flat opening. S&P 500, Nasdaq, still we need to get the data. And if I look at the liquidation zone, at the bottom, liquidation is kind of near this at the zone. I mean, 1,12,600. I have doubt will market go that far. On top, we have it around 1,14,400. So as of now, I did not enter near the zone because I thought, okay, little bit pressure can be there. So I avoided trade here. But any possibility near this zone or near this zone, I'm thinking. It makes a very big momentum towards the downside like yesterday. Then little bit late entry I may take, those kind of situation I will come across. So that issue is definitely there. In the comment section, let me know what is your view about the market. Where do you think market has potential to move up to? What about Ethereum, Solana nicely staying below the resistance zone itself. But the zone you just keep in mind. After clearing people, it is showing some kind of bullishness here. One doubt what I have is, will it sustain up to this zone and later reverse, or from here only it will reverse? That is becoming a debatable thing. This resistance today in Ethereum, how well it respected in Solana, it did not respect in Ethereum. Confusion here, right? First the zone it was respecting, later breakout, again once resistance break it will act as support, here one move, again resistance broken. Ethereum little problem it created. BTC though, it was a nice area from resistance close to 1000 points correction. BTC, Solana was fine today. Ethereum only little bit not in the range. Prasanna sir, good evening. SNK, Pichikanan sir, Adrian, short, but this zone is there. Here, this zone is there. Bottom, this zone is there. 3 areas market can tend to reverse. 3 stop losses how to take. S&P 500, Nasdaq, both are kind of okay. Here liquidation is near 1,12,000. Up to 1,12,000 market will it go? Chances is there. In between the support, resistance, resistance we are sitting at. So of course it will create confusion. What do I do? Look for, if I target for bearishness up to this zone, I have to target. There's no point in targeting up to this area. There's not at all a reasonable target zone. I have to target breakdown up to this zone and later recovery. This is also one buying zone. Here one buying zone. Holding on. It's holding on to the buying zone. Let me not get too much excited, even though I know this is the buying zone. But there are other buying zones also. $300, 360 points. Now here only if it is kind of removing weak players, then later if it moves down, maybe up to this zone it can come and reverse. This and all is buying zone only, okay? This and all is buying zone. So little bit waiting is something which I will do. Ethereum is going above the resistance. Solana again coming to the resistance. BTC resistance up to this zone. Okay, I'll wait. Can we expect big fall from 1,14,600? I don't think so. I feel they will hold on to the market at the upper level. For example, let's say market gave a breakout directly. If it moves up, then it might tend to correct, and then I feel it will sustain little bit. 14,600 up to that zone. 14,400 we have. To that zone we will see how market will react. Then later I can decide. BTC forming symmetric triangle. You mean to say this extension and here a support. I feel you're referring to this one only, consolidation range. Ethereum, nothing, sir. As of now, it's just rejecting from this resistance zone. Today, it's not respecting the resistance zone properly. See, 2 times attempt. Again, resistance acted as support. Finally, without any intimation, it broke the support. Again, it's breaking the resistance. So, how much confidently I can look into this resistance today? Yesterday, it was good. Today, it's not giving means. See, Ethereum means beautifully it is staying under the resistance zone. So that we can consider, this we can consider. This has space to move up to 14,500 also. To 12,000. If by chance market goes up to 12,000, 12,500 means I feel very big momentum towards the upside can come. So until this zone, I cannot wait. Maybe my live stream will be just 1 hour. For me, here buying zone is there, here buying zone, here buying zone. At what level should I enter buy? If it comes to the final buying zone, maybe I will consider to enter. If not, where to enter? Now though it's broken the support zone. The next target can be here only. Is there any news or anything as such in the crypto market or US market? Central government debt, that's not US. Gasoline related stuff is going on. Fed Waller speech. FOMC meeting is there, but that is after our trade. Crude oil is at 8. View as of now, so here it can reverse or here it can reverse. So until then, should I take a, if I'm 100% sure up to the zone it will go, means definitely I would have taken bearish trade. But even I'm not sure up at what level it will reverse. So stop losses, I might have to give small 1 or 2 stop losses. This also is a buying zone. I marked this and kept, you see. Now what to do about this? Ethereum is forming a symmetric pattern range in decision area, and Solana also somewhat in decision itself. Nothing is giving confidence. If it's behaving like this within the buyer zone, what to say? Whose side pressure is there, we can consider. Considering this area as support, people would have, in case they're entering, stop loss will be at the bottom. To hunt the stop loss, it can move down a bit. But this is the buying zone. 400 points. In day minutes time frame, laid on 0.5 Fibonacci, so it will move up at long term. Hopefully. Ethereum sustains above the zone, means maybe we will look into something bullishness, but too much importance I feel I should not give to that. And Solana also, little bit it can go for hunting. Perfectly respecting the resistance. What to do? Fine, it's given a breakdown. I'll see how market behaves in this candle. First buying zone, market cleared. This is the second buying zone. Still candle closing we have not got. So from here it can form a wick also like this. This is the final buying reversal zone. So maybe near final buying reversal zone, if it moves down, then only maybe I will consider. I'll see how it turns out to be. Leverage, I'm using 50. 1 second here. Oh, market is reacting at the zone. Sometimes these buyers will push the market before reaching the support only. Okay, that's why I'm seeing if there is any reversal opportunity for me exactly at this level. If that's not there, I have to wait until this zone. A little bit buyers are getting activated here. So should I enter? Should I not enter? Okay. Two red candles continuously. I'm looking at the spot chart also here, what it is trying to do. Not sustaining. After this candle close, maybe I will see. Buyers are getting activated. I feel I can be wrong also, but stop loss is small here. Heat map. Heat map is saying 1,12,000. 1,12,000. Here 1,14,000. I'll wait for this candle to close. Okay, then maybe if buying pressure starts from the next candle, I'll go for bullishness with small stop loss. In case that fails at the lower end, again I will try one bullish trade. If market corrects off from here, from lower end only, bullish trade I have to try. By then this will be 12,100. This is just 12,500 zone. Three, four areas if market says that it has a chance of reversal, where to enter. Six seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So closing below this candle means then next here only I have to see. Adrian, someone was saying bearish market, nicely buying zone, it started becoming bearish only. Moment was very nice. I missed. If it gives a breakdown, then better. Meanwhile, let me just see other index also. What is it doing? BTC, Ethereum staying below the resistance. Everything is staying below the resistance. Is there any Ethereum breakdown? Up to this zone, will it go? It's a doubt only. Here, this one, Solana is kind of somewhere at this range. Solana can act a bit weird. Continuation. I'll beat traders if I'm not getting confidence where to. The spot chart here. Solana. I'm just seeing if BTC is not giving me better opportunities, Solana, can I try is what I'm thinking. It's near this exact support zone. Our support and resistance setup and all gets closed morning itself. I've not read any comments. Bro, today I booked loss in Nifty 21,000 as per your go. Even I booked loss. I shared the video, I believe. Wish it was working every day. Any one index giving proper setup. I'm just looking at it. That's it. Okay. In case I'm getting a breakdown here. And then I'm targeting 1:2. Nasdaq, S&P 500 and all is negative only. Ethereum also breakdown. Solana. Not getting conviction only. At least after a breakdown I can try is what I'm feeling. BTC bounce on 1 minute. Solana right now is near, Ethereum right now is near buying pressure zone. So some kind of action we can expect. And Solana also. I feel fine. I'll try 200 quantity on the buy side now. After giving breakdown, if it had moved, it would have been a bit more better for me. Now what to do? Fine. Solana, sorry, Ethereum. Ethereum is now in Ethereum, I feel like buying. I placed an order here. Let's see for this trade. So closest to far. it's going up to this zone, then difficult. That's okay, traders. I'll place the stop loss. If this zone market doesn't respect also, little bottom here it will respect. That time I'll take one more setup. I'm at cost to cost right now. So hopefully if market has attracted bearish traders here, from here if it's going to give a pullback, then that's what I'm targeting for. Now here Ethereum also is kind of, sorry, Solana also, I said no, this can be a buying pressure zone. It's holding on to this zone. So here one chance is there for, of course, buying pressure zone. If you have seen, this is the zone, this is the stop loss, and you can target for at least 1:2. This is holding on too long. So I hope it's clear. As of now, Solana was near the buying pressure zone, and Ethereum also was kind of, it has removed all the weak players, so maybe it has a potential chance of moving up to the resistance, at least is what I feel. So with that logic only, I've taken the trade. A little bit Solana is not listening. Ethereum also is showing some pressure, I feel. Now for this trade, what is the stop loss I have considered? You can see here, stop loss is around 60 points, target is around 125 points. So 1:2 risk reward is what I'm targeting for. And BTC, why I did not take the trade here is because this is a kind of support everyone knows. Now if I enter here big wick or anything forms, it will take the stop loss 400 450 points, and then only it might give movement. Like that possibility is there. But here people might not know this is a buying pressure zone. As long as it holds on, fine. If it doesn't hold on, then me identifying this buying pressure zone also is a waste of time only. Hopefully. Solana, is it not holding? Solana, it's not holding. Again, it's near this buying zone only. If you're interested, you can plan for a same kind of trade, because still this is buying pressure zone. Maybe you can wait for the green candle closing. Okay. As per first setup, what I said, here only I'll keep the stop loss. Too much volatile market is a this pressure zone, it created confusion, again confusion near this zone little bit. So Ethereum was giving me a bit of confidence to look at bullish trade here. That's why I have taken, considering this as buying zone. BTC, what about BTC? I think just now I said this support is there. Ideally exactly at the support. Sometimes I don't prefer to enter in case market had formed a wick here, right? A big wick, like what? Let's say consider this kind of candle, but on the bearish side from top. what we say, hammer candle, that kind of candle, if it would have formed, maybe then I would have considered. Now little bit doubt I had in that, so I did not try. As of now, it is near the support, so no need to take bearish trade. BTC also I'm saying. आप ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग करते हो? हाँ, करते हैं. Ethereum and BTC chart looks same. You see, this bottom of the chart, I'm considering the main buyers are sitting here, okay, in Ethereum. These buyers might re-enter here is what I feel. In case they are not entering here, maybe at this zone they will re-enter. I don't think they will allow today Ethereum to go below this zone. Okay, so that's why here, if these people are re-entering, and here market had attracted people by giving a breakdown, Ethereum, if you see, this is the recent swing, you think market has given a breakdown, but BTC, it has come to the main support. All right, this is the main support. Here it's not yet given a breakdown. More than here, let's say I was telling you, right, here I'm waiting in case if these buyers are going to enter here, any green candle, I'll take bullish trade. That time I would have entered, but buyers did not enter here only. They took the market lower. So here any breakdown means during the reversal I can enter, not exactly at the support where everyone enters. Nothing wrong in entering at the support, but my psychology is after hunting the stop loss, if market moves, I will enter. Here I feel market gave breakdown, hunted the stop loss. Now I'm expecting the reversal. I hope you're getting a bit of understanding as to how I look. How much did you invest in taking this trade? How much quantity I put? 150. For 150 to 250 to $60 is the capital. Capital is $250 to $60. Risk is $60. Reward is $120. Now, if I consider this as the buying zone, to reduce my risk also, I can get my stop loss here. By doing that, I will reduce my stop loss by 24 points. But little bit buffer I have to give is what I'm seeing. So little bit buffer I will give, not too much. Ethereum. See here, little bit clarity I will get. If I have to place the next stop loss next to reversal zone, then only near somewhere here I can expect reversal. Okay, if this fails, if buyers don't get activated here, next reversal after taking my stop loss only I can expect. So is it good that I give bigger stop loss? Should I get the stop loss here? Because anyways, up to this zone I will not give the stop loss. Risk reward will not set properly here. What's happening in BTC? Buyers entered here, BTC now to trap. This trade I did not take, I've just kept this. So now to trap them again, little BTC movement can happen. It's not sustaining. Ethereum did not sustain the support zone. Another 3.5 minutes is there. 12:22. If another 1 minute market sustains above this candle, right? If it sustains, then I think I'll get my stop loss little higher. No point in giving that stop loss because it did not show bullishness here. It should have held on to this range. Little bit BTC after trapping if it reverses. Two and a half. Solana also has come, made a double bottom. Solana also did not respect this zone. But here it has cleared some people. Everywhere, market has gone to the bottom range, reversal range. Additional movement if it does also. 1 minute 45 seconds. It's not sustaining. Where at least another 10 seconds, 15 seconds, if it is there, if market is somewhere at this zone, something I can say. Its idea is to come up to here. Shifting the stop loss and all is not right. I'll leave it to the market to decide. Now everywhere people are focusing on bearish setup only. Okay. What is the break-even point? Break-even point? You mean no profit, no loss? This is the break-even point. One last hope. Now people are kind of, but this next buying zone is somewhere here only. If it goes up from here, it's kind of luck based on the stop loss, but I'll not take all the credit for that. I don't think it will. Here though it has removed. Now if it starts rallying, all the index starts rallying means here also, if all the index starts rallying means it will be fine, or else. Took my stop loss. Okay. Next area, I'll wait for it. What is Fibonacci levels it is saying around the 786 level also. In case market holds on near this range, maybe one more trade I'll be taking on the bullish side. Solana, I think even that's gone. It's kind of correcting a lot here in Solana maybe. Solana, this zone. Spot chart is looking a bit different from the future chart. One more setup, I'll wait traders bullish side. If I get, I will enter. Okay. PTC. Here next trapping zone is too far. Market has corrected a much here. Then what can be the zone? 1,12,160. 12,160 so far. Market will go means I have a doubt about that. I've got a delivery. I have to go give OTP. So just give me a second. I'll be back, traders. Just give me 1 minute. Ethereum. Anywhere one green candle followed by another green candle I will see near the buying pressure zone. Okay, so if that happens, then maybe I will consider. Continuous pressure I'm seeing. Entire US market is down and I'm looking for bullish trade. See, based on stop loss hunting, I have to look at bullish trade only. Okay, I hope you're getting the point. So in Indian market also, based on stop loss hunting only, I was looking for bullish trade in the market. This trade I did not take. I took trade somewhere here. Okay, I gave the stop loss. Bank Nifty nicely, it was respecting after stop loss hunting, it gave move, but Nifty not that much. So there also, based on stop loss hunting only I tried. For me it did not work out, but for me probability always is stop loss hunting only. So I'll be looking at the market in that terms. Based on that, if I'm giving one or two stop losses also, if it is under my budget risk limit, I don't care that much about it. Mhm. Looking at some data, just give me 1 minute. Here, will this buyers re-enter? I have to check. They re-enter, then maybe. Market is too quick, we will miss out on entry. BTC thing, Solana, it's holding on. See, how to check heat map in Ethereum? I forgot to check on that. You see the number on the screen after the live stream, let me know, okay? I'll see if there is other places or in this only way to see. Whether BTC I buy 1,16,500, can I have here? Now if I enter here, stop loss has to be too small. This has to be my stop loss. So let's say I go for this. Placed a buy order. Buy order got triggered here. That's fine. Stop loss I have to decide. If it sustains, fine, or else nothing to compete with the market. I'll just give the stop loss and close for the day. This buyers can re-enter here, so they were showing some pressure also. So likewise, little bit towards the upside momentum if we get, then continuation possibility is there. So this is the base. I'm not going to change the stop loss. I'm not going to trail the stop loss, anything as such. If market moves up to this zone or somewhere, only then I'm going to trail the stop loss, or else I'm going to give the stop loss and close the trade. Because for this particular trade, so much stop loss is required, around 33 points. Of course, if I'm not ready to give that stop loss, I should not even take this trade. Around 80 people watching the live stream, only 34 likes. Sir, please don't spam asking the same message. I said I will let you know. Ethereum heat map way to check. We will look into it and let you know. Is the mic off? Now this also, like I said, removed all the weak players. I expected here. The spot and future chart was creating some kind of confusion here in So here should I mark, here I should mark, that was confusing. Anyways, we have taken trade in Ethereum. There correctly I have marked and I've planned my entry. How many of you entered the trade along with me? Let me know. Crypto market is tradable at any time, but why did you choose only 7? Because that is when we have US market New York session. That time market will be volatile. We will get some liquidity soon. So we want the movement, right? That is why I'm looking at 7 o'clock. Naveen sir, okay. Mani Kumar sir, okay, fine. Come on traders, match the, views with the likes. At least 50 more likes. Prabhu sir entered, okay, fine. This trade minimum, this level I've kept as target. If it goes at least until the target zone, then I'll start trailing the stop loss, trailing the target, everything I will do. Until then, nothing to be done here. It's working fine with your mic. Sir, I have gone through your 9th. It's really nice. Hope I'll cover my losses soon. Just to ask in that, if market is going down, what and how to trade in that strategy. If market is going down, see, that strategy is not chart based. You want to trade chart based, you look at price action, stop loss hunting. Okay, price action, stop loss hunting might be saying, okay, market has potential to move towards the upside. If you see today for me, this zone nicely I had marked and kept. Okay, what time is it? 9:30. Nifty was near the support. Bank Nifty was where? Near the support. Still I went ahead and took the put option trade. Why did I take? Only because of the rules of that strategy. Okay, based on price action, stop loss hunting, there I shouldn't have taken trade. So people are kind of in a mindset that like only one trade I'll give loss, 9 trades I'll be profitable. Think little bit different. Think reduce your profit size, 6 trades, 5 trades I'll be profitable and 5 trades I'll give loss. I'm fine with that. But when I capture minimum, it has to be 1:2. Come to this mindset. 50-50 success rate. If you see price action, stop loss hunting, with that mindset only initially I approached. Okay. Now if you see this month in crypto and all, how many trades we would have taken live this month, last month and all. My success rate, I think it's gone up to 65-70%. And those days, just because a lot of people are watching the live stream, I want to hold, placing stop loss here. I want to wait till the target. If stop loss hits also, I don't care. So I go with that mindset. But when movement is happening, and people who's traded along with me, if they are not booking the profit, little bit for me concern about them also, it will come. If I don't trail, I don't book, even they don't book. So that time what I do, bigger movement what I was supposed to get, I miss it out. I don't know, yesterday you guys saw, right, the bearish setup, how much we were thinking about taking the bearish trade. Close to 1700 points we could have captured, but only with 600 points profit I exited, only because I trailed the stop loss. So for me only what will happen is, okay, my logic and all I use, I take the trade and things like that. Later I'll start worrying about people who's following, because I'm using my money, I'm trading. Like in case, let's say I have budget for 10 times. Okay. Just example I'm saying, I have 1 lakh here, 1 lakh here, 1 lakh here. For me to bounce back 10 times, at least I will have chance to bounce back in the market. For that I have allocated the capital and I have kept. How many of you who's watching the live stream, maybe you will just bring, okay, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. With that only you want to make it 1 lakh. So with that kind of mindset when you approach, I don't want to disappoint you. So for you guys, what I will say, okay, what you do, stop loss don't keep up to this level, bring it off to cost. So it is contradicting how I think and keeping you guys in mind how I say. It is contradicting always a problem. That is where I think even I'm getting some issue with the psychological, this one where big movement where I feel I have to wait, I'm not holding on. Maximum the stop loss rate, I'm ready to give that stop loss. But how many of you are ready? That is the question. So what is the capital you will use for forex trading? See, very less. I am in learning phase. Indian market, I'm okay. That same logic I'm getting here, I'm using it every month. I'm seeing with the same, like let's say 1 lakh, 2 lakh, whatever I have bought here. If it goes, what and all mistake I did, I will learn that. Again I will bring 1 lakh, 2 lakh. Okay. But initially I've just started with 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh rupees in crypto market. With that only so much we are sustaining. With that only so much we are learning. So it is just that people know that it is a journey is what they're not understanding. How long you stay, the longer you keep staying in the market, that is where you increase the probability of being a successful trader. Okay, if you say I am smart person, I'll bring 50,000 rupees, I'll give it to market, and then from that 50,000 rupees I want to double it, triple it within 2 months, 3 months. With that mindset if you come, initially market will give you profit, later everything it will wipe. It knows to give profit also, it knows to take the profit also. Now market is giving me profit. Is it mine? No, it's not mine. I want to book means I can say, okay, I recovered my loss, I will book this, and that is not the mindset I have. At certain level, yes, we have to keep trailing the stop loss and going. All those things is necessary, because if we don't do it, that will be a stupid decision. For example, here, if market comes, if it bounce back full completely, what to do? You will feel bad, right? So for you guys only I say, okay, market is reaching this zone. If you are happy with the profit, you book it. In BTC also, I think initially what we planned only might be happening right now. Sorry. In BTC, you see, market moved down. What was I saying from the beginning? Removed all the weak players. No other stop loss hunting. Bounce back. Here if I would have entered already, a nice target I would have reached. That's fine, traders. Anyways, we have decided to trade in Ethereum, Solana, BTC going forward. We will trade in everything. Now only I'm telling, here market can not, I'm saying it can. So here you want to book means you have to book. Here, this is one correction zone. Who wants to book, you book. I'm informing now only. Do you have cross margin feature in Delta Exchange? I don't know what cross margin means. Sorry. Just think I'm a basic guy, old style guy. If you give me an idea of what it is, see, market is holding on to this range. Pressure can come, it can move down also. I don't know. I'm telling you now only, you want to book, you would have booked a nice profit of close to, let's say, 51 points. Take it, run away. I am just waiting. Is there a chance to capture up to this zone? That's what I am waiting for. If I don't get, no problem, I'll give the stop loss and go. That's not a problem. Now, see, I will reduce the stop loss. Sorry. I'll reduce the stop loss for my trade. Okay, this is my stop loss. I know there is a chance of market reversing. I know if I wait, soon my target will hit. But as per my psychology, I'll change my target to here. Okay. This is the initial target, but my target will be here. If this target reaches my initial target, whatever, doesn't matter to me. You see here, now loss is $22, profit is $260. Here reversal, anything can happen. Booked profit, sir. Good, sir. Good. Now reaching this target might be 50% chance. I don't know. From this zone only it can reverse. Because here selling pressure was there, again selling pressure might come. I don't know. But I want target up to this zone. For that I'm ready to give the stop loss. Already so much target done. You want to book, you book. At this resistance you want to book, you book. But ensure whatever you trail your stop loss at least up to this zone, or switch to 1 minute time frame, trail your stop loss. Do it that way. Sir, I joined using your link in Delta Exchange. How to join the crypto group? Sir, you send WhatsApp message to the number that you're seeing on the screen. Okay, and then we will give you access. "15 minutes time frame, Ethereum forming what? Channel pattern. Now traders who wants to book here, you book. Okay, this can be a pressure zone. I have kept my stop loss near my entry zone only. So for me, this is a risk-free trade. Maybe stop loss little more I will reduce also. I am fine with that. Okay, almost this became a risk-free trade for me. And if market is $7 is the stop loss, $266 is the target. Hello, how can I watch BTC? How to analyze? How can I watch BTC? You need to open account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the pinned comment. Use that. And on our channel, if you go, there is a playlist called for Delta Exchange. You can go and check that. Okay, their basics we will explain. That's free of cost. Anyways, YouTube video, watch that. I'm done trailing hit. Okay, as long as you guys are booking the profit, fine sir, no problem. Now for me also, okay, this pressure zone is there. If market sustains above this, I'll get the stop loss here is what I'm thinking. Your analysis video good, that nifty one. Okay. Sent user ID. We will check sir, team will check. Or if I'm free, I will check. You will get access tomorrow. Now 2 continuous red candles comes here means it's a problem. Solana also, I think it would have bounced back only. See this zone, Solana, little bit mistake I did here. I said right, next when we get opportunity we will see that buying pressure zone. Exactly looking at spot chart I could not judge. In Ethereum we could judge. It's come to the resistance zone, Ethereum. So what I have to do is trail the stop loss because that zone is acting too weird in the market. Live stream is gone close to 1 hour. So $93 minimum we will book, or else I'll book up to here. Thank you bro, such an awesome reversal and more awesome entering along with you. Okay, I'm just saying stick along traders. One day you cannot learn. You have to be in the market for longer duration. You have to be ready to give stop loss. Okay, not necessary you have to give, let's say $100 stop loss, $150, nothing. If you're ready to at least risk 1,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees per day, you continue that for 30, 40, 50 days. What market teaches you, even I cannot teach you. That is the truth. That's what I have learned. Now you see this resistance market has reached. Okay, this resistance also, this is our resistance what I shared in the group morning also. This is the target also. So who's sticking to the target, stick to it. Now my idea is breakout reversal, whatever happens, let it happen. I'll trail and go. I think here it might correct, but anyways I think minimum we will take $123 with us in this trade. If I book now another $30, $40 I will get. That's fine. 1 hour channel working well in Ethereum sir, your opinion? See, based on 1 hour time frame, if we can look, no problem. But I come live around 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock it is a pressure time. Exact levels. Oh, indecision. Buyers also putting pressure. Hopefully sustain. Now you sustain here. What I will do is get my stop loss here. Okay. So this will basically be a profitable trade only, no matter what. So here you can see, for me it is $140 profit or $266. I think it will come here because resistance is there. No, fine. All right, traders. I wanted bigger target, but at some point of time we have to understand trailing at this zone only. If I keep trailing the stop loss today, fine, one side movement, or else pull back. That is a problem only. Why I trailed, I'll tell you. One is this resistance is there, that is fine. But while reaching out to you, this zone I saw, no, my resistance zone, too much weird market is acting here. So again, What kind of volatility I expect here, I don't know. So it was sensible to trail. Good, we have started to look at other market also, trading in Ethereum, Solana, everything. So maybe if I have got my stop loss here, potential was there, but fine. Let me not complicate too much. Is it possible to do 8:30 a.m. Nifty strategy to crypto? Sir, first finish seeing in Nifty. Why you want to do everything everywhere? Don't go all around. Focus on one or two things. If that is working, now you think your focus for the next 30 days is only to your focus for next 30 days is only to see if the strategy what I have given is the success rate what I have told, is it true or not. How you do that? You take paper trading every day, maintain an Excel sheet, in that you note down everything. Okay, in case you are not seeing the success rate, just give it additional 15 days. Average of 30 to 45 days you see average. Once you get that right, I don't think you will go back. Let's say you're going to finish your trade within 30 minutes, okay, and you understand success rate is, let it be 50% only. Okay, days when you're capturing somewhat like this. In this trade, what is our risk reward? Is it 1:1? Am I scalping? No, right? At least here it was 1:2, 2.5, I believe, minimum. So when you capture 1:2, over a period of time, you'll get confidence. You will go for 1:3, 1:4. So that time, 50% success rate also will make you profitable. That's what people are not realizing. You have to stay in with the same. What people will do, two days they'll look into my strategy. If it gives loss continuous 2 days, they will go and jump into another strategy. In continuous 2 days, if my strategy is giving profit, they will double, triple the lot size. Like that mindset, if you have, what I can do. Anyways, I hope you had some kind of learning today. Tomorrow I'll be coming live around 7 o'clock. You guys can join if you're interested. Thank you everyone for participating. Before I close the live stream, support the channel by liking the video. It will motivate me also. What is free paper trading platform? What I was using before, I think those and all they made paid. Let me check out. Okay, 2-3 platforms are there, I believe. Whatever is there, I'll let you guys know. Yes, please come tomorrow. Okay, sir, I'm on it. Thank you. I'm making my work on Excel sheet. Thanks a lot. Don't trust my strategy, nothing. You just follow your back tested report. Everyday paper trading report you do, that is the result of the strategy. Okay, if that is giving you success, that is giving you confidence, you go about it. You can say every day I'm just coming, you say Indian market, I have to look at it based on price action, stop loss hunting, but I'm dedicating that 15-30 minutes of my time. Instead of looking at the market based on price action, stop loss hunting, I'm looking at it in a different way, right, as per this strategy. So here also, I'm here or there little bit problem, I cannot give time there for the initial 30 minutes. All those things I'm sacrificing my time, as along with that I'm sacrificing my capital also. And then to explain to you guys, if I am in a situation which I will concentrate more, here or there, all around the places, if I am, it is difficult only, right? See this one, I'm showing continuation. Anyways, fine, I'm done. We'll see tomorrow, traders. Only thing what I will suggest to you is stick with it. Whatever you're learning from me, maybe today it will work, tomorrow it might not work, but you see a series of 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, how much success rate you're getting. Only then you will get the confidence. Then instead of me telling, believe this, you will only start believing. By 8:30 can I give Nifty this one? For me, see, I'm occupied with other things also. Here I have to come in crypto group, you see. Today, this is the resistance, 1,14,4030. Huh? And this is the support. Ethereum, this is the support and resistance. This and all I have to work on. This and all I have to give the update. And you can see here, these are the same levels what you are seeing here. What kind of movement market did here? In Ethereum, today support, once it broke, it acted as resistance. Some days it will work, some days it might not work, but you trust the process. The days when it is working, are you capturing the bigger move? That is the question. Okay, let's say you entered here, you kept on trailing the stop loss and going 50%, or you got it cost to cost, leave it. If it gives you big move, capture it. So how you are making use of this levels? 181.271, these are the levels. You see here, what are the levels? Same levels, right? That too near the resistance time only I have told. So I am doing my best to give you all the support from my end. How you make use of it is entirely up to you. You just want to go back to the same things, what is not working for you. Again, you want to go back, jumping from strategy to strategy. That is up to you. Yeah, in BTC also today, you see, when I came live, I was telling you, right, there are 3 buying zones. This is one buying zone. Below this, there is one buying zone. And at the bottom, there is after trapping buying zone. All this based on stop loss on hunting only. I'm looking at the market, nothing else. That and all I've discussed in my course. If you watch my analysis video, every day I try to share a lot of things when I used to do analysis video on YouTube. But over a period of time, people just thought it as calls, tips, what to do. There only a lot of learning was there. Anyways, traders, only thing I'll suggest to you is stick to the market for 3 to 6 months. Stick to the rules. After that, if you're not getting the results, then you change the strategy. Then you change the person whom you're following. Okay. Alright, thanks for participating in the live stream. Any other setup is there, I'll share it in the crypto community group. Those who want regular support resistance level like this, those who want crypto strategy course, you come to the pinned comment, you will have this. Next strategy, if I'm giving, I will give. Why I did not give support and resistance strategy is because already on YouTube on support and resistance strategy I have done. That if you guys see, somewhat you can use that also in this market. But how to tweak it using Fibonacci, that next time I will make a video. Okay, little bit held up with lot of other things also, other business also. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for participating. Good night, take care, bye bye.